right, for today's quick tip, I'm going to show you quickly how you can select multiple files, whether they are right next to each other or whether they are kind of all over the place. So first, we're going to start by selecting files, but they are not necessarily sitting next to each other. So let's say I wanted this first file, so you click it. Once you click the first one you want, you're going to hold down the Control key on the keyboard and then select all the other files you want, and then you can do what you want to do, whether it's copy, you move them. But let's say you want to select a whole series of files. So you select the first one, hold down Shift, then select the last file. And then everything between that first and last file is going to be selected for you. So then again, you can move them, copy them, do whatever you need with the files. So again, for files that are not in sequence together, you just select the first one, hold down Control, and select all the other files. For files that are in sequence, select the first, hold down Shift, and select the last. And that's how you do multiple file selections.